What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable supervision on Google. So first, you need to head over to your Google account by just simply typing myaccount.google.com. And after that, when you're redirected to the home page on the left side, you need to click on people and sharing. After clicking on people and sharing here, you will see the option of your family on Google. Simply click on get started. And after clicking on get started here, you will see a family group. Just simply click on create a family group and after that click on confirm. After that here it will show you that you are ready to be the final manager. Simply click on accept and then just choose to invite your family, like choose all the mails of the members that you want to invite. But if you don't want to invite for now, simply click on skip. And after clicking on skip here, as you can see, the family group has been created and you are the manager. And after that, if you want to invite your family, simply click on invite your family, and then you can just simply type in their email, or you can just simply add it by just clicking on an email request by clicking on their email and then clicking on send, and then an email request will be forwarded to their mails. When they accept it, they will be added to this family. So this is how you can supervise on Google account. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.